That is a super awkward angle. My hair is a mess because I just woke up. Why I started vlogging first thing in the morning is because I got a bunch of new coffees and I want to test them out on camera. I'll link these down below. This is by the brand called Country Bean. I got caramel, got hazelnut. Guys, these smell so good. And then I got vanilla, and then I got cocoa mint. You know what? Let's go with the safest, hazelnut. Also, quick note, I am trying to go vegan just for fun, just for a lifestyle change, nothing else. We have the milk and we have the instant coffee. Actually, I don't even use sugar in my coffee, so let's test it out. So what frame I need my tripod. I have heated some water, which is what I always do with instant. Perhaps like one measure of the spoon. Oh, I dropped some. What I actually do is I always froth my milk. I just have plain milk for now, but I'm gonna get almond milk or soy milk or something. I'm attempting to go vegan, guys. I'm not vegan, so don't come at me. That much milk. I'm gonna heat it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. I got this froth on Amazon and I just frothed the milk. So right here is the frothed milk. Wonderful. It doesn't even have enough cream in it. And let's just mix it. There is my coffee. Let's test this out. It sort of does smell like I think I put too much. Oh my god, that is so bitter. Disappointed. Let me add some more milk. BRB. Some more milk? I need sugar. No. Guys, this week has been such a disappointment. Like every time I make coffee, it has sucked. Like I have had my coffee taste like detergent. I had someone else make coffee for me and taste like detergent. So it's like me against the world of coffee and I'm losing. Let me get some sugar. I have opened flour coffee function. I absolutely hate sugar in my coffee. I mean, unless it's like a pumpkin spice latte or like I know those lattes that you get at the store. But if I ever buy basic like cappuccino and stuff like that, I don't ever add sugar because I like it that way. See. Do not ever use this in the morning, but this is because of extreme circumstances. I'm using chocolate syrup over it just to offset some of that bitterness with the sweetness, I think. If it still tastes bitter, I'm just gonna drink it because I need my coffee and I've been up way too early on a Saturday morning. I'm gonna try out all the flavors on camera. Let's see how it goes. So this is my morning coffee, which was an epic fail. I'm actually testing each of this on camera. Guys, this is hazelnut attempt number 3. I made it this morning as well and it tasted like garbage. And I have my coffee connoisseur friend here with me who's gonna try this today. And I'm gonna make it the exact same way. Let's see what he says. Here, Mr. Coffee Connoisseur. Please show which coffee you're drinking, the coffee beans, and give your honest opinion to the world. They're expecting it.
Okay, so it has a good aroma, but I won't say like a strong aroma.
Right, it doesn't have that hazelnut syrup aroma.
It doesn't have that strong aroma.
Have it and tell me, is it just me who thinks it tastes like meth?
The thing is, for me, it's less strong.
Exactly.
It's more bitter and less of hazelnut.
Yes. But how is it otherwise?
It's good.
Is it hazelnut?
Like, I won't say like Starbucks level. Maybe like
No. I'm expecting that syrup hazelnut flavor.
Syrup, 50% of that.
Yeah. Guys, I don't know if I'm crazy. These two are telling that it tastes really good. So it's not just my opinion. So she's making the way she makes it, and I'm gonna taste that hazelnut, and then let's see which one is good. Cause she's like, oh my god, hazelnut is the best, and I'm like, no, it tastes like garbage, and he's like, hazelnut is good.
It's like hazelnut, you're expecting it to be very aromatic and all.
Nutty, yeah, it's not. So let's see. Ma'am is making us. She's got so much coffee. Like we can feed and we can open another coffee house next to our very popular coffee house.
But we aren't doing that.
But we're not doing that because we're too selfish for coffee. So battle of coffees. She's done some voodoo on the coffee and it somehow smells good in her mug.
An intense espresso of Davidoff with fine aroma of Davidoff. You also get a fine intense. It's up to you. And
then mixing that
and
with
then
hazelnut.
you mix that with hazelnut and you pour a little bit of milk and nicely mix it so that all the three coffees blend together. Cheers.
Attempt number 3. I'm still getting that same taste.
It's totally hot.
So hers is actually with, oh maybe the milk makes a difference. Mine's almond milk, but hers is like plain milk. Yes, Arja, what are your thoughts after drinking with normal milk?
So whom should I like benchmark it against?
Starbucks.
Why?
Because that's usually where we have hazelnut and things, no? All
I
the
would say
flavors.
like 5. Sorry.
So with almond milk, how much do you rate it?
Almond milk I rate 4. That is
4 out of 10. That is 5 out of 10.
I would say like 5.5.
For me, guys, the hazelnut is 0 out of 10. I tried hazelnut yesterday, which was an epic fail. I didn't want to try all the coffees in like one go, so I am spacing it out. Try Cocoa Mint on camera, and I'll see how it's going to taste. I'll just quickly show you guys things I'm going to use. Cocoa Mint flavor. This Great Value Daily Whipping Cream. This is not vegan. Ooh. Okay, so let's give this a taste test without me in my morning face. There's a reason why I always make it in a transparent glass, because you guys can see enough of build up. Let's begin. Dude, that's so good, and I didn't add any ounce of sugar. I think the sugar from the whipping cream just worked really well. Guys, you have... Oh my god, I have so much to tell. Let me have another sip of coffee. This is identical. It's identical to the peppermint mocha that you get at Starbucks. It's like 100% dupe, you guys, like 100%. I'm a sucker for peppermint mocha in Starbucks, and whenever the holidays comes around, I always have it. I love it. People don't like peppermint mocha, but I absolutely love it, and it gets a little expensive, guys. It's like what, $5.65 for a grande, and this with almond milk, and it was just like instant coffee, almond milk, and I just put whipping cream on top. I don't think I need whipping cream. That was just like for shoki, but guys, like just a little bit of sugar. Holy shit, man, this is identical to Starbucks peppermint mocha. But anywho's, this is 2 thumbs up in my book. I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee, watch the snow out, and just be so happy that I found a super cheap dupe for Starbucks peppermint mocha. Stay tuned. I'm gonna give this a shot. Oh my god. Okay, the thing is, I cannot taste caramel, but I'm getting this smoky, woody flavor in the coffee, and it's not a bitter flavor. This is a different kind of bitter, but a good kind of like the smoky, woody. That's the best way I can describe it. Like smoky woody flavor. Oh my god, can I have any other adjective to describe? But damn, that's good. Oh my god, oh my god. For a minus 12 degree temperature and like this charcoaly woody coffee is amazing. And having this as first thing in the morning, thumbs up. Let's test out the next one. Guys, super awkward angle, but this is the last one. That's vanilla. Smells like very strong. If any of y'all are vegan or if you consume almond milk, please let me know why it curdles like oddly curdles like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but when I boil it for more than like a couple of minutes, it starts to curdle, but it doesn't taste bad. I don't know. Let's give this a shot. And doesn't have any sugar. It tastes really good. Oh, that's nice. On a day where it's like minus 10, minus 12, I've lost track, a warm cup of coffee like this is amazing. It is really strong, but I think it could use a little bit of sugar for that vanilla flavor and the vanilla essence to come out, but it's really good. I like it. So I would rate Cocoa Mint the first one because I'm a big sucker for anything with mint and chocolate and coffee in it. So I would say, and even taste wise, I think Cocoa Mint is the first one. If you're not a Cocoa Mint fan, caramel, really good. Third, go for vanilla. Hazelnut, I didn't like it, but you guys saw my friends liked it, so perhaps it's just my opinion. That's why I got two other people's opinions. Hazelnut is the last one, which I thought I would like it the most. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.